Hello friends. So basically this is sound healing meditation wherein which we deal all our mental and physical illness, and this is the very natural form of meditation via which we can overcome all our sufferings. We are dealing with this sound healing. We take treatment for anxiety, then depression, relationship issues, pain, and like asthmas, chronic diseases like rheumatoid arthritis, diabetes, and further thyroids, and even insomnia. So we are dealing with lots of instruments which are generating frequency, sound, and vibrations. So which are resembling to our body energy, and when we harmonize our energy system, we overcome our suffering. There is one patient who is for the cold and flu, so we are just giving a treatment of cold and flu. So first we give for chest related area, especially we concentrate on the upper body. For this purpose, we have created a special sound bed which generates itself a sound. So which is specially for the chakra healing, which are consisting of our 7 chakras. And special tinka bells for the relaxation of mind. Okay, so now fundamentally we are having 7 chakra bowls with us, so which are representing our 7 chakras. So this, when you see, this is for the chakra of Sahasrara chakra, this is Agna chakra, means the sound of this bowl is resembling to our chakras, and that when it resembles, it gives the energy system, promoting energy system, and it is giving you the healing. So this is the sound of that chakra. Okay, so this is basically Agna chakra. Then this is Vishuddhi chakra for the throat. This is heart chakra. Swadhisthana chakra. This is for the Swadhisthana chakra. And this bowl represents root chakra, that is Muladhara chakra. So in our body there are 7 energy gates in the form of 7 chakras, wherein if there is some blockage in any chakras, people are into suffering. So what we do the energy balancing program along with this special handmade bowls. Thank you very much.